Section 2.8, Density. Density is a physical property of matter that compares the mass of a substance to its volume. Every substance has a unique density, which distinguishes it from other substances. Density is used in chemistry in many ways. Density can be used to identify a specific substance. Density is also used to predict if an object will sink or float in a liquid or in the air. If an object is less dense than a liquid, the object floats when placed in the liquid. In figure 211, the lead object sinks in water because the density of lead is greater than the density of water. However, the cork floats in water because the density of cork is less than that of water. Calculating density. Once the mass and volume of a substance are measured, we can place them in a relationship called the density expression. Density equals mass over volume. In substances of high densities, the particles tend to be close together, whereas substances of low densities, their particles are farther apart. Thus, metals such as gold and lead have higher density because their atoms are close and tightly packed in small volumes, where gases have low densities because their atoms are far apart in large volumes. In the metric system, the densities of solids and liquids are usually expressed as grams per cubic centimeter, or grams per milliliter. The density of a gas is usually stated as grams per liter. Table 2.9 gives the density of some common substances. Density of solids. The density of a solid is calculated from its mass and volume. When a solid is completely submerged, it displaces a volume of water that's equal to the volume of the solid. In figure 2.12, the water level rises from 35.5 to 45 milliliters after the zinc object is added. Because the object is to place 9.5 milliliters, which is 4.5 minus 35.5, of water, the object has a volume of 9.5 milliliters. The density of the zinc is calculated as follows: 68.60 grams, which is measured by weighing it, divided by the 9.5 milliliters of water that it displaced. Density as a conversion factor. Density can be used as a conversion factor. For example, if the volume and the density of a sample are known, the mass in grams of sample can be calculated as shown in sample 2.14.